There is your sensor. Let's go ahead and take it out.
Let's go ahead and replace your crankshaft position sensor on this Jeep Patriot. Most people will tell you have to do it from the top, but there is a lot that you will have to remove if you do it that way. I am going to show you an easier way to do it. Lift the car just a little bit so you have enough space to get under it, and we're gonna do it from the bottom. You will see how simple and easy it will be. Just to give you an idea on how to locate the sensor, this one right here is your oil plug. Now this one is your axle. And that one right there under that shield is the crankshaft position sensor. We're gonna be working on that today. We're gonna be removing it. And as you can see right there it is. That's the bad guy we are gonna be replacing today.
Okay, so right now let's go ahead and remove that shield. That one right there is a 10 millimeter and this one is a 13 millimeter. So we're gonna go ahead and remove that shield so we have access to the crankshaft sensor. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so we're using a 13 millimeter to get that first, that one right there. That's the one that we're gonna be removing right now.
And again, you have no idea how difficult it was to get these camera angles. As an appreciation, least you can do is like and subscribe. I will greatly appreciate your support.
Alright, that bolt is out. Now we're gonna be removing that other one right there. That's the 10 millimeter. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and push that shield out of the way. Let's move it. Be careful, we don't want to break it. There is another bolt holding it on top, but I don't feel like losing that one, so just gonna move it aside. And right there is your sensor. Let's go ahead and take it out.
To remove the plug from the sensor, all you have to do is press and pull.
And as you can see, there is a bolt right there. We're gonna take care of that right now. For the connector, all you have to do is press and pull, and that's it. Should be easy. The bolt that holds the sensor is a 10 millimeter. So let's go ahead and try to remove it. And the bolt is out. It's hot. Now that is the crankshaft sensor and we have to pull it. Let's see how it goes.
Now that we have the old sensor out, put it beside the new one and make sure it matches. And again, you have no idea how difficult it was to get these camera angles. As an appreciation, least you can do is like and subscribe. I will greatly appreciate your support.
We're gonna go ahead and install it. So basically all you have to do is just push it in. Let's go ahead and do that. And you wanna match that. That's it. Now we secure it with the 10 millimeter bolt. Make sure it's tight, but do not over tight it. It should look something like that. So now let's go ahead and remember your cable. Let's go ahead and connect it. It can only go one way, so If only you can see. Boom. Just like that, just press in. And that's it. Right there, it's connected. So now let's go ahead and place your shield back. Remember, 10 and 13. Oops, right here. That's what we're gonna be doing now. Alright, so let's put this one now. That's it. And just like that, the crankshaft position sensor is being replaced.